6 unexplainable things narcissists do to have total control over you. Hi everyone, the narcissist feels a strong need to control people in their environment. Their spouse, colleagues, friends and neighbours. It's because in their mind they don't feel in control. Many people are stuck in long-term abusive relationships with others, and they often feel powerless to do anything about it. The narcissist will seek to dominate every individual they interact with and every group with which they belong. The narcissistic obsessive desire for control is not just for control's sake, but as a critical defense against the risk of receiving a narcissistic injury, simply a blow to their ego or self-esteem. Narcissistic behaviour usually arises from an adolescent life entirely dominated by a narcissistic or codependent parent. They are controlled in all aspects of their young adult life, in a period when they needed to be allowed to develop control over their own life. Healthy parenting involves reprimanding their children for knowing where the boundaries lie, whereas narcissistic parenting involves the parents establishing complete emotional control over their child. The narcissist lives in terror of losing control, seeing other people in their environment as extensions to themselves. In their mind, this makes it acceptable for them to abuse others. They continually try to rearrange the significant others in their life to look towards them and admire them. They will go to any length to be in control. Here are 6 unexplainable things narcissists do to keep you in their control.
But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released.
1. They target codependents. Narcissists usually find success in controlling others because they target codependents. They generally seek out those with codependency characteristics. The narcissist strengthens the codependent's shortcomings when they're manipulated to believe everything is their fault or responsible for fixing any problem in their relationship. The victim becomes afraid of the narcissist to the point where they lose their sense of self by believing all of the narcissist's explanations and distortions. 2. They make you feel special. Narcissists go out of their way to make others feel special, not because they genuinely care about you, but to manipulate them. Narcissists most often gain control over other people by pandering to the victim's desire to feel unique and highly valued in their relationships. For instance, the narcissist may say, "Although I only just met you, it's clear to me that you're exceptionally bright and capable. I have a unique group of people, much like yourself, that I like to keep in contact with. Let me have your phone number, and I'll add it to my secret group." Sounds unbelievable, but it happens. 3. They use awe, shock, and guilt. Narcissists use to gain control of the people in their lives by eliciting difficult emotions. After going through a period of grooming someone for a close relationship, the narcissist moves on to use shock, awe, and guilt to maintain control. The shock and awe come from the emotionally excessive charged tantrums that erupt when the friend or spouse does something that disappoints the narcissist. Other normal people will find such dramatic reactions tiring and strange. Therefore, they begin to work hard to avoid a repeat performance. 4. They gaslight. This is one of their common characteristics which makes them master manipulators. Gaslighting is a favourite tactic of sociopaths, psychopaths and narcissists. It is a manipulative technique designed for self-gain and to trick, weaken and destabilise the victim. Gaslighters move through the world dishonestly, denying things that you saw happen. They'll deny they said something or did something that you know they said or did. 5. They play hot and cold games. Narcissistic individuals are also known to play tricky games. Here's how they play the game. One week they flatter you to get you to do what they want, and the next week they use aggression. They intersperse negative moments with positive ones so that you might not even realise that you're being manipulated. The best way to win this game is to be cautious of flattery and positivity, especially from a narcissist. Take their actions and words with a grain of salt, and don't let them bribe you with love bombing. 6. Projecting. Narcissists have a habit of accusing others of doing what the narcissist is doing. Narcissists who frequently lie will accuse you of being untrustworthy. Unreliable narcissists will claim that you have let them down, and undependable and furious narcissists will say that you're the one who needs anger management. Projecting helps them to avoid responsibility for their actions and behaviour while putting others on the defensive. Many narcissists believe they have unique insight into others and feel justified in naming others' reality. By labelling others' thoughts, feelings and motivations, narcissists seek to gain the upper hand by making others doubt themselves.
So, what's your opinion about this? I hope you can gain more insight from this video. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.